What's up guys, welcome back to Colombian Cribs. Today we are in Poblado again, in a different area than I normally look at. We're gonna check out this beautiful apartment that's actually priced pretty well in my opinion. From the pictures, everything looks very stylish, very clean. And we're gonna meet up with my friend Andrea who's gonna show us the apartment, so come on. Hola Andrea, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, Luis. It's so nice seeing you.
Nice seeing you too. The thing that stands out to me right away is I love the white. I think the white design is really amazing because it makes everything feel a lot more open and clean.
I agree with you. It's so bright. This minimalism touch that makes it very special. With the combination of that green, this is something amazing. This is the kind of vibe that you look in Medellin, you know?
Yeah.
The green, the beers, the quietness, and the good energy for sure.
That's true. And I think the style of this apartment is exactly what I imagined Medellin. Very clean, sophisticated, elegant.
How I would describe it is like it's very pretty fresh and at the same time it's very functional. So you can have like a simple life with the complement of this amazing weather of Medellin. You don't need as much as paintings as you need in Bogota, for example, because here you have an amazing views everywhere.
So let's start in the kitchen actually. So you know how much I love talking about the kitchen. I think this kitchen is beautiful, absolutely stunning. What can you tell me about it?
I love this bar, you know, I think it's the perfect size of a bar because you actually can enjoy of a good space to have your drinks, to eat your food, to have a good chairs here. So for me, it's the perfect size. I love the color that is pretty white and it completes the clearness of the place, the brightness of the place. This is a very tech
yeah, we've been seeing this a lot lately.
I know, he's following us.
I like the stove a lot because it's very easy to clean. But recently, in Manizales, we lost the gas for a couple of days. So having a stove like this, as long as the energy doesn't go out, is nice. And I like being able to control the heat manually. These stoves are amazing. I'm a huge fan of them.
And I know you like to cook because we always talk about you cooking in the kitchens that we visit.
I've talked about it all the time. I don't know why Colombians like using the fluorescent light. I think it is kind of ugly. It makes it feel like a prison. But as soon as you put like warm light, it makes everything beautiful and, like you say, cozy, right?
Yes.
Let's check out the oven and everything.
Let's check out.
So the apartment comes with all the appliances and all the furniture included, right?
Yes, you just need to come and move in.
People don't want to go through the process of getting...
Exactly, you just want to be hands-off, you know?
Yes.
Bring your things and that's it. And also, if you are an investor, that is a perfect condition because you just buy the place and after 1 week, you can just start renting in it. Most of the foreigners that come look for furnished apartments because they don't want to have the headache and buy and
exactly. And I got scammed by a real estate company. It's just too much headache.
This apartment the furnishing is very convenient for everybody who comes here, so I think it's perfect. Also, this is a very good detail. Look, Wes.
Dishwasher.
This is a miracle in
this. You know what's funny? So in Asian culture, we don't use a dishwasher to clean. We use it as a drying rack. So normally the sink has like a metal interior, right? But they just did the granite, or is it marble?
That is granite. This is a very good oven. This is also a very special thing in Medellin because we don't use the oven that much. I know for foreigners, they love oven. So this will be a good feeder for a person that comes here.
Something that I noticed right away, I thought this dining table was amazing. And I like this color, it's like a peach. So that's why I like the light tones, but I would want a little more color.
A little bit more color, yes. I think a wood table will also fit very well here.
Yeah, all right, let's check out the bedrooms. If you look at the view, right? Some people will say, I don't like that there's trees in front of the house. They want like an open view. But the cool thing about this is that in the morning, you'll be able to see birds. There will be birds that are like chirping and like biting at stuff.
Not just see them, they will wake you up. That will be the music that you will listen at the first time in the morning. Nice. Also, having a tree in the window give a lot of freshness to the bedroom. So that's why here you don't need air conditioner. This
side, the view is like unimpeded, whereas this side has the tree. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Come on. Yeah, I think we've seen this concept a few times already, like the closet and then the bathroom's attached to the closet.
Yes, this is the walk-through closet. Yeah. Very common here.
That's a beautiful wall.
I like this touch, yes.
Yeah.
It's like a wood color, good space, shower.
Shower head's nice. I probably would change the lights though. I would want like a warm light, right?
I'm like you, I prefer warm lights.
Yeah, I saw your apartment. Your apartment definitely is like cozy. The wood, the brown, finishes very nice. I like the sink. The toilet's also really nice. It's white everything, you know? Look at this view. It's a good sized bedroom. I think the closet is really big. If an investor will want to do this, would they try to invest it to multiple people or?
This apartment will be perfect for 2-3 people that rented it together. Foreigners, they usually like big spaces, so one person will be fine also with 2-3 bedrooms.
That's true, or have one be like a studio, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's probably what I would do.
Exactly. Or receive some visits, some guests. So they prefer actually, in general, bigger spaces than smaller spaces. What I think is the layout of this place is very strategic for an investor. Because look, it has the 3 complete bedrooms, all set up with the bedrooms, with a closet, with a nice window, and 2 of the bedrooms has its own TV. So this one, for example, if I would be an investor, I probably will change it into a studio.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it's studio
very small.
is important, yes.
The shower seems a little short. I think it's just Colombia in general. The people just just aren't that tall. You guys are very short, which is great for me because I'm not tall. So dating here is easy because the women are naturally like shorter anyways. Nice bathroom too. Just everything is very coherent. What is the price? Tell me the details. Tell me everything.
So this apartment west has 78 square meters. The price is 630 million Colombian pesos, which is 149,000 US dollars.
Depending on the exchange rate, right?
Yes, 149,000 US dollars. For you as a foreigner coming from the US, I think it's a pretty good price to start with an investing here in Colombia.
Yeah.
This apartment could be rented in about 1,800 US dollars. So I think it's a pretty good rental. And then you have a second home to come here and run away from the cold and just have fun when you have vacation.
No, I like this apartment a lot. I think that this is gonna sell very quickly, so you guys better act on it. But if you guys are looking for more information, if you're looking to buy real estate here, my friend Andrea will help you. I also have a course available just for business and real estate if you guys are interested. If you guys are looking to move here, I have a complete course, but I have a course just for business and real estate if you guys are interested in that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Ciao.